boss, I'm on it.
Hey, you know I'm on that though, man.
Y'all, come join it. In the traders war room, warring with the market every day. We on Zoom. Never gonna quit. Ain't no way we gonna lose.
All right, guys, we'll get started here in about 1 minute, 2 minutes, and then we're going to get it cracking. I'm not going to waste your guys' Friday. There'll be question part at the end of the presentation. All right, team. Hey, welcome to the end of the year town hall for Traders War Room. Guys, what a fantastic year we've had in review. And we're going to go ahead and get started. And as you guys know, we got the official Traders War Room gavel right here, this thing. So let's go ahead, make it official. and let's get it cracking, guys. And then we'll have a questions and comment part, like always, with the town halls at the end of it. But I don't want to waste your guys' Friday. It's getting into the New Year's, and I want to get at it real quick. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into it and get it going. All right, end of year town hall. Agenda, year in review, 2023 vision and campaign, products and services, platform updates, goals and the way forward, and then questions and comments at the end. Year in review. So TWR LLC officially hit 1 year as our birthday on October 1st, 2022, guys. So fantastic event for us, hitting the 1 year milestone. We hope to have many years to come with Traders War Room. We got a lot of steam and we want to keep the ball rolling. Some stats for 2022. We had a 2,900 customer increase in 2022. We have a 5-star rating on the website from our statistics that we have, where people can grade us on, customer service, content, so on and so forth. We have a 78% member retention status, which is fantastic, especially in our business, because a lot of times people get into these platforms that do these digital services, specifically with the market, and they end up bowing out. They lose some money and they're like, oh, these guys are making me lose a whole bunch of money, blah, 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 and they roll out. So 78% retention from everyone that comes in, man, fantastic. Hey, we'll take questions at the end of the town hall. We got a year to date of 851 upgrades, and over 50% of members who leave Traders War Room come back, guys. And that speaks volume, okay? Obviously, you're going to have some people that roll out, and that you just can't help that, okay? It just isn't for them, all right? But a lot of the people that roll out, they get their stuff together. Maybe they do some one-on-one mentoring with us and things of that nature, and they come back to Traders War Room when they're better set and better prepared. So definitely over 50% of people who leave come back. And with our retention rate that we have with members staying, I can't complain about that. That's fantastic in my opinion. All right, highlights for 2022. We added over 15 new analysts. We hired from within for services. Guys, this is something I brought forth through the military. Just like in the military, privates go to specialists and corporals, corporals go to sergeants, sergeants go to staff sergeants, so on and so forth, right? I wanted to bring that same type of mentality in with this type of thing, because we started out as veterans. If you guys read our bios on the website, you guys know that we're all veterans that started this journey together, right? And so we want to hire within. So when we see people that are doing good things and they're pushing things out, we're going to reach out to them and try to get them on the platform, in some shape or form. We got McJohn that's pushing out crypto. We got, a couple people, T-Law's about to come on the board. We got Point Break. We got Putasor. We're pushing people out from within. And that's a fantastic way. When you see talent, you grab it. It's another way of looking at it is talent management. Okay. Hang on, I'm going to let a few people into the room in mid-all. All right, coming back out. We created the TWR Lady Traders, and we finally are picking up steam at the end of the year. Man, I've been talking about trying to get these ladies in here and be engaging. I want to be known as a platform for everyone, something for everyone, guys. And one of the things I really want to beef up in 2023 is the Lady Trader bosses. I want them to go out there and just smash it, okay? Because, we're looking at, the market typically. We're a male-dominated type of industry, right? Most of the stockbrokers you see on Wall Street are dudes. Very few high-level ranking, ladies out there. I mean, take a look, Kathy Wood, for example, one of the fund, but all the other fund managers that you see, they're all dudes, CEOs and stuff. So we want to highlight the lady traders, and we want to create an environment for them to expand, influence others, and try to get other females into this trading thing that we like to do. We created the TWR Analytical Journeyman. This is where we find people out there that are, pushing out alerts, member alerts, or whatever, and we're helping to form them into being good analysts, right? It's okay. we're helping to shape these guys so that they can build their brand, build their confidence, and build their trading style. And then hopefully it pays it forward where we can market them to other servers. They can make some money, we can make some money, and everyone's getting fantastic analytical services provided by Traders War Room from our particular strategy. We removed 10 underperforming analysts. I told you guys, we're out here trying to be the best, okay? And I'm not just going to let a bunch of crap roll around. You know, we had a bunch of fakers out there. That Yossi guy or Yossi or whatever, you know, he kept flashing a 7-figure mentorship. Well, I dug in a little deeper on him. It's not all that, okay? You know, there's a lot of smoke and mirrors with a lot of these people out there. And when we notice the garbage, we're going to go ahead and get rid of the garbage, okay? I want real people that actually are pushing out good things. We're not ever going to get it 100%, okay? 100%. Any true investor tells you they are 100% accuracy, they're a liar, and you should roll out, okay? Because there's no such thing as 100%. But we want consistency over time, we want frequency, and we want accuracy, and that's what we expect. So if they don't cut the mustard, we're going to go ahead and roll out. And we created the alert recap checks and balances. We wanted to create something that we had so that we could highlight analysts that are doing their thing and also provide some real feedback for people. So Pudasor, we brought him on board to do the alert checks and balances. He's doing a fantastic job. We're going to ramp it up in 2023 and cover not just options, but the stocks, and try to figure out a way to cover the sports betting. It's a little difficult, but definitely going to go out there and we're going to make sure that we're doing checks and balances on these people, so you guys know who's killing it out there, who's doing what, and, you know, get you guys, you know, a warm fuzzy when you're trying to follow an analyst of your choice, so you know that they're for real. We conducted 10 classes over the period of this past year, fantastic classes that we did. A lot of them were basic classes. Okay, we're going to ramp it up. I'll talk about that here in a moment when I go over products and services, but we're going to ramp up the classes. You know, a lot of us are not what I would consider beginners now. We're still novice. A lot of us are novice still, right? But a lot of us are not true beginners. Okay, we got a little bit of knowledge underneath us. We got a little bit of, you know, we won some money, we lost some money, you know, so we got a little bit of experience. So now it's time to ramp it up a little bit. We're going to still keep some basic classes, but we're also going to add in some intermediate and some advanced classes to give that true one-stop shop, something for everybody. We conducted 3 university courses, guys. We have the TWR Option University, and we did 3 courses, fantastic courses. This is where we're doing like an online education. I'll show you the virtual classroom here in a moment. We're for real about this, okay? We scheduled it so it mimics the type of environment that you would have at an online education. And we go in there with a formal 6-week course, 2 classes per week. You know, there's homework assignments. There's, you know, teacher-led student interaction, and all the classes are recorded, so you have a repository of the content. But it's a fantastic product. Definitely, if you're really serious about your trading game, this is for serious people, because it is elevated in price, but it's because it's in depth. You know, we're looking at it like a university, and we're putting a lot of information in there. We increased our social media presence, guys. We went from a total footprint on social media of from 25,000. We're pushing up towards 2 million right now on all the platforms that we're pushing out. And that's fantastic. You know, we got, you know, like the almost 3,000 on YouTube. You know, we got the Twitter going, we got the Instagram, and we got some other platforms out there as well. But with us pushing on other social medias and getting tagged by other social medias, our footprint that Traders War Room is hitting is knocking on the door of 2 million. So that's fantastic to be able to move that type of speed in 1 year. We conducted 3 TWR Investment Club rounds. Man, the investment club was popular, and we look at 2023 as it's going to be extremely more popular. The very first round that we did, we took an account from 10,000 to 50,000 in 30 days, man. And people were, whoa, yes, awesome. Then the market took a turn on us. You know, this past round that we had did not fare so well, you know, but the cool thing about this investment club, right, is you guys are truly seeing, you know, both Shiner and myself, we're professional traders, you know, and you're seeing the true aspect of trading. It's not all rainbows and sunshines out there. There's vulnerabilities, you know, there's bad calls, you know, you think things are going to do, like Tesla. Take Tesla, for example, man, that thing went from 180 all the way down to like 105. You know, who would have thought that? Okay. Of course you're buying the dip. You're looking for that reversal because you've seen it so many times. Tesla hits support and then it bounces $25. You know, you want to get in on that action. And so that's definitely, something we're looking into, and we're going to change the way we do the investment rounds. And we got that when I cover the products and services here in a moment. And we added professional marketing and advertising. One of the things we wanted to do is, in order to make money, you got to spend money. And so we went ahead and got some professional marketing and advertising so that we can push our Traders War Room, ideology, the philosophy, the vision out to the masses. And we're going to be flooding the network. Obviously we don't have the budget like the big boys do, but we're putting in a lot of extra budget that we normally would utilize on other things. We're allocating it for marketing and advertising because we're serious about this. We're coming out swinging in 2023. All right. The 2023 vision, overall vision, guys, and this has not changed. Any of you have been with me from the beginning, back when I was just doing YouTube videos in my garage, all the way back in the day, right? The market is our war zone with stocks and sectors as our battles. The goal is to always attack, conquer, and destroy the market, and to collectively grow, learn, and share as a community of like-minded investors and traders who pay it forward from experience to new members and novice traders and investors. That hasn't changed. That is still our overall vision. That is the vision, and I don't foresee that changing at all. What does change is we're looking into the campaigns, all right? 2022 campaign. It was the new year, new you, invest in yourself in 2022. 2023 campaign. We're going to make the market bend the knee in 2023. TWR bows to no one. And we got a nice little ad right there. And any of you guys know anything about, Traders War Room, and then, of course, them Wall Street bet boys, they're not looking so pretty with them GameStop and the AMC stuff. That's why our guide on is higher than theirs. Their flag is tattered, and oh yeah, they bend in the knee. So Traders War Room is not going to bow to anyone in 2023. We're going to make the market bow to us, and that is the mentality we're going in there. Attack, conquer, and destroy, guys. Products and services, guys, something for everyone, every style, every budget, a one-stop shop. That is exactly what we want. Guys, real quick, since some of you are new here, you haven't seen this, I'm going to go ahead and pull out real quick. I got a 60-second promo that I want you to watch real fast so that you can see exactly what we have on the platform. So give me one moment.
Traders War Room.
What is up, team? Chuck, Traders War Room.
Sorry about
We're
that.
going to find a guy to why Traders.
Can you see it now, Chris?
You know what? Great time for me to show you exactly why you should join Traders War Room.
Yeah, we see it.
We're a different type of beast with truly something for everyone. We absolutely destroy the competition. From our daily and weekly watch list to our trending stock alerts and our premium data quant, we empower you to make money. Our proprietary algorithms work on any platform. We have 3 live trading channels open every day the market's open. Our professional trading floors connect real time with other people in the community and professional traders. But where we truly shine are with our real time alerts. We have over 30 analysts that push alerts every single day. Whether you're into stocks, options, crypto, Forex, sports betting, or futures, Traders War Room has some for everyone, every style, and every budget.
All right, so after you saw everything we offer, guys, the only question I have for you is why are you not part of Traders War Room? If you're ready, follow me. Let's go to war.
Traders War.
All right, guys, why are you not part of Traders War Room if you in here? Come and get some. Now, let's go ahead and go back to it. All right, let's talk about the platform updates. Discord, this is our flagship. This is what started it all, guys. So we're reviewing the flow of channels. We made some updates. We're reviewing the flow of channels. What we want is we want a seamless environment to where you can pick and choose what you see on a daily. Because we have so much. I mean, we have over 150 different channels. And as you saw in the promo, we truly have something for everyone on the platform, but we don't want, people to get bombarded by a lot of noise that they don't want. We want their platform to be something for them. So we're going to add in some more features so you can pick and choose the type of things that you want. One thing I do want to say, guys, I put a start menu there as a table of contents with hyperlinks. Usually, if you see a start here, you guys should probably go to start here first. Okay, when you come to Traders War Room, go to start here first, and then hit us up on the trading floors and ask us the questions, because I want you guys to utilize that tables of content because it has everything there. Everything is there, and then we can answer any specific questions on the specific details. Additional research and analysis tools. We have the data quants. We have the research data bots. I'm looking at some other ones that are pretty awesome, and we're looking to add these in 2023. and that just gives more tools, more reference points, more ammo for your guys' weapon. Analysts alert checks and balances for improved accuracy, frequency, and type of alerts. We just talked about that. Pudasor's hooking us up with that. And this is a checks and balance. So we can see what the analysts are doing, what they're really pushing out, and we can make sure that we only keep the best on the platform. Beefing up Forex and sports betting alerts. Sports betting and Forex, I've been getting a lot of DMs on it. So we got a couple people on betting right now. We got Warrior, he's our sports bettor. We're going to look at a couple other ones that are pretty good at sports betting. And I got a couple Forex guys that are looking to come on the team, and they're fantastic Forex traders and got some different styles. So we're looking to beefing those up as we push into 2023. Bigger internal push for creation of TWR organic alerts. This is going into where we're starting our analytical team. As you notice, we got a lot of Traders War Room bots out there, but I have a lot of other analysts that I'm purchasing from other places, right? Well, I think we can do just the same as some of these other analysts. Now, some of the other analysts are fantastic, you know, Diesel, MTA, and there's a few other ones, right? They're fantastic analysts, and we're going to keep them on team. But there's a few other ones that, you know, we're paying money for, and they're good. But I think that we can do the same stuff, and we can push them out internally. And not only that, we can market them to other servers and take over this whole Discord trading platform. So every server out there has a Traders War Room bot in some form, fashion, pushing out alerts. So that's the goal right there. Marketing the TWR analytical services to other servers. We just talked about that. That's one of the goals for 2023. 500 to 5,000 growth challenge and portfolio build challenge too. I've been getting a lot of hits on this one. This is something I'm going to talk more about when we head into 2023 trading session. This is going to start off slow. We're going to be very careful with it. We did it a couple times, man, and we took off like thunder, right? And then the market turns on us and we make some bad trades and we go back. This time we're going to take our time a little bit. We're not going to get so overzealous, and we're going to make sure we hit the marks that we put out there. Okay. And it's not just going to be the growth challenge. We're going to have two of them. We're also going to do a portfolio build challenge. A lot of these stocks, guys, are beat up 60, 70, 80%. Okay. This is the time to have some dry powder, and we're going to start buying some shares so we can look at exploding in 2023. So the portfolio challenge is going to be incumbent of the entire 2023 session. The 500 to 5,000 challenge will probably be done in segments. We'll make the 500 to 5,000, then we'll set it up. You know, maybe we'll do a 1,000 to 10,000 challenge, you know, so on and so forth, so that we can keep adding to it, but also retract a little bit so we don't get too crazy going from, you know, 5,000 to 25,000. You know what I mean? We don't want to do that. We want to stay humble. Instant messages on Telegram. So we got this out here. This didn't take off too much. A lot of people, you know, when they're thinking of the platform, they're thinking, you know, Discord offers them so much, and then they get overwhelmed with Discord, and then they come to the instant messaging platform. Basically, we're going to increase advertising on the IM Alert platform. We added some additional analysts on the alert, so it's not just me pushing out information. We're adding some of our other analysts onto the platform as well, so you get a little bit of variety on the alerts. And we're going to add stocks and penny stocks to the alerts as well, because the penny stock market is going to start heating up real quick at the beginning of the year, because as people are coming out on some of these bigger tech names that are going to have poor earnings running into 2023, we're going to see a lot of these cheaper stocks getting some volume, because people are like pushing money into Apple or going into this thing for, you know, 45 or 50 cents. They're going to put some money in this 45 to 50 cents because they don't have to put as much capital into an Apple that potentially could be a falling knife based off of some earnings. So we're going to play the penny stocks as well over there on the instant messages. New text message alerts. So this is a work in progress. I've been talking to a couple text message companies, and basically we want to send alerts via text message. We want to have a platform. I told you guys, something for everybody. You know, everybody has a different way they want to receive their alerts, and we want to provide that and also be able to reap the benefits of revenue coming in from those things. So we want everyone to eat on this. So we want to send alerts via text message. We want to send out watch lists and technical analysis charts, less overall data, because, you know, it's not going to be the platform like Discord, right? But resources and won't be as heavy. However, the convenience of the consumer and the ease of access to make money. And that's what we want to do. This probably won't take off as well unless we hit some really big bangers and, you know, provide something different off of the platform. But we think it'll be a nice alternative, because sometimes people just can't hop on the Discord, or it's just too overwhelming at the time, especially when the whole market's buzzing. They just want something good, and we're going to be able to provide that via the text message. All right, going into the website. So what we provide on the website, guys, we got the one-on-one mentoring. We got the Option University. We're going to add a crypto and NFT university. This is new. We're going to talk about it. We got TWR classes. We're also adding to the SEO and advertising optimization so that we can be seen better on like Google Ads and Google searches and stuff like that. Alerts and signals. This is something we're working through an API program with our engineer to take our TWR alerts and push them onto the website as well. The idea is that TWR members would be able to have access to it, but say we were people, they don't want to get on a Discord or a Telegram, it's a Russian-based business. So they're like, forget Telegram, right? We can provide these alerts for a fee right there as well from the website. So that's the idea behind it. And we want to add a newsletter, blog, and a trend report so that we can start kind of becoming legit, like a big boy business, market news, the Benghazi report, stuff like that. We want you guys to be able to come to Traders War Room and see, trending reports, see blogs, see, newsletters and read stuff that got things going on. We want to drive more consumer basis to our website, and we want to keep them on the website longer. All right, let's talk about the one-on-one mentoring. All right, we're adding another dedicated business Zoom to increase the availability and TWR one-to-one time slots for more people. One of the things we had is when people were really hitting up hard for the one-on-one mentor sessions, it was hard to maintain all the influx of individuals that were coming. We were having to book out 3 to 4 weeks out. So we're adding another business Zoom so that we can have a dedicated line for one-on-one mentoring to include slots for the university and other things like that. We're also going to bundle reoccurring TWR one-to-one mentoring for those who want weekly or monthly sessions. This would be something, like if like T-Law has done probably like 6 one-on-one mentor sessions for me. It'd be something that for his loyalty, because we're all about, them values, right? Loyalty and honor. For his loyalty to Traders War Room, we're going to hook him up. We're going to come to a deal on, reoccurring mentor sessions if he wants to do it, so on and so forth. So it'll be something like that. And we'll have more details on that as we get into further into January. This will probably start rolling out in the mid part of Q1. Platform updates, we're talking about the website and the Traders War Room Option University. So we're moving this from a 6-week course to a 5-week course. We're going to make the classes a little bit longer, but we're going to move it to a 5-week course instead of 6, and we're going to have consecutive courses. We're going to offer basically like a course A and a course B. So example, this will be our 4th course that we're running starting at the new year, and we'll have 4A running Monday and Wednesday and 4B running Tuesday and Thursday. Basically like a real university, guys. More options for the students, more options for university, one-to-one coaching. So we want to make sure we hit all avenues of approach. TWR Option University, of course, we just talked about the next course is going to start 9 January. Registration will open on 2 January. We'll start to flood. We're waiting on the advertisement to come back from our advertisement guy. And once we get that this weekend, I'm going to start creating the promos, and we're going to start registration opening next week. And you guys will see that on the YouTube and the social media platforms as well. And here's basically what we offer. Okay, options fundamental, and actually, better than just this flyer. I got a little thing. I'm going to go ahead and take you to the site real fast so you can see exactly what it is, because I want you guys to see this so you know what you're getting into if you decide you want to do this. Okay, so once again, coming in here, I'm going to share my desktop, and I'm going to minimize out. Go here, and where's my website? Is this it? Yeah, here it is. Okay, awesome. So Option University right here, and this is from the website. So if you purchase the Option University, you can come to this website right here, and you can, read all the information, the structure, and all that stuff, right? Then you can purchase your course. We'll have the course here shortly. Basically, but when you get into the course and you purchase and you're verified. All right, everyone able to see this? Okay. So here's the virtual classroom. Basically, here's where we had, right? You could see October class. And when you go into it, so signing up for the January class, you'd get something like this, right? And you'd go into it. internet's taking forever. Zoom's taking all the thing. And like I told you guys, we wanted to have this like a true university, guys. So we got it set up. Discussion threads, members, welcome kit, recorded classes, everything's in here, guys, for the learning phase of the online education. I told you we set it up, we were for real about it, and we'll end up having the crypto university over here next to it. So we'll have an option university and a crypto university, pretty much same format, and we'll have it going on different time frames as well. So just wanted to share that because it's important, because I want people to know what they're getting into when they're paying an elevated price. I want them to know that this is for real. We took a lot of time and effort. We had our engineer build this from scratch based off of my online education and other questions and things that I talked with teachers and what they're looking for, intuitive, ease of access, simplified, things of this nature. So we want to make sure we had something for everybody on that one. So all right, let's go back. Right. Coming back. Here we are. All right. All right. Moving on. All right, the Crypto NFT University. So this is new. Okay, this is a 5-week course. Now I get it. People hear crypto and they're scared because the FTX thing and all that stuff, right? But guys, we have a subject matter expert who basically, when he gave us his breakdown on his curriculum for this particular thing, we were blown away. I mean, he has a structured way of teaching this. He has a pleasant and easy voice. He's easy to understand, and he knows his stuff. So we went ahead and enlisted this guy to bring this crypto and NFT university, and it's going to be a deep dive into the inner workings on everything crypto, everything NFT, and blockchain technology. Okay, nothing else I've searched, nothing else on the internet that really compares to what this guy's going to teach, and this is going to be exclusive just for Traders War Room. So we have a business agreement with him, and we're going to bring this. I would expect probably the first session probably be a little light because people are going to be kind of freaked out with crypto and everything like that. But once we can actually show results from the information, I think this will be blown up, because that blockchain technology and that NFT stuff and this fintech revolution, this is the way of the future, and people need to understand that. Yes, you're going to have your bad people like the FTX fiasco and the Binance, dude. That dude freaks me out anyways. But you're going to have those bad Apple ones. But the overall crypto thing, it's not going away, and it's going to stay. So we might as well, as it's going to stay, we might as well find out what it is, how we can make money from this technology so that we're better prepared in the future to execute and attack from all avenues of approach. So that's one of the things. If we're going to be a total trader, we need to understand this stuff as well. All right, website TWR classes. So we're going to give more strategy. We talked about this earlier. We're going to add more advanced techniques. We're going to do deep dives into the learning how to make money. Okay. A lot of people, I've taken a lot of classes from other people, and what they do is they do this stuff that you can find on YouTube, the normal stuff like that. Okay. I get it. That's all great and gravy and stuff like that. But when you're teaching classes, you got to teach proven strategies that actually work and are effective. And what better way to teach than from personal experiences? Okay. So we got our professional traders out here. We got analysts that are going to come in and that we trust, and they're going to teach classes, and we're going to teach classes that literally teach you how to make money, because we don't want to just teach you a strategy and say, hey, go make some money. That's not the way it happens. We want you to truly understand why this strategy is effective at making money and how to use it. So we're gonna look at that, and all the purchases of live classes received a copy of it. Here's the schedule that we got coming up. 8 Jan, it's going to be how to use key indicators to smash 2023. On 22 Jan, it's going to be how to scalp the market with proven basic indicators. You don't need anything fancy to scalp the market, people. Okay. And our subject matter expert is going to show you how to do it. And then 19 February, by popular demand, I told you guys, I got Diesel coming in here, and he's going to do a class, how to day trade off candles, volume, and momentum. And Diesel's going to be our guest instructor. Fantastic trader, got a lot of momentum. A lot of people are excited for this class. And I told you guys I was going to go out there and grab him up, and I went ahead and got him. So we're gonna kick this off. And like I said, every battle needs a plan. We want you to build your plan with Traders War Room classes. You can check us out on the website. and you can see what kind of classes we got going on in the future. Registration will open for the class on 8 January, on 2 January on the website. It will be up there over this weekend. This SEO optimization and marketing, I'm not a wizard on this SEO stuff, but all the big boys utilize this optimization strategy. And so we went out and purchased the marketing and research guy that is, he's going to do it for us. He's going to optimize the SEO to drive more site visits, more statistics to increase business. And guys, we need your help to spread the word, okay? If Traders War Room, if you like what we provide, if you enjoy our services, if you think that we're the real deal, because, we try to be, pretty upfront. If you think that, we need your help. Okay, spread a word for us. If anything else, maybe they don't want to come to the Discord or whatever, send them to the website, man. Have them check out the website and just read our bios and things of that nature. Just get us a little internal marketing as well. So help us out. Alerts and signals. This is something we're working with an engineer. So I told you guys we wanted to put alerts and signals on the website. We're working this. This is actually pretty more complicated than I thought it was. I was just like, oh, all we got to do is do some coding and then put it on there. No, there's a lot of background stuff. So this is a process. And the end goal is we want to be able to provide the premium members another avenue of approach to see alerts and reach out to another audience that may not be familiar with Discord or may not want to do Discord or the instant message alerts or even the text message. They just want to hop on a website and see things, like what is that, turbo trade or stock twits and stuff like that. That's where we're trying to go with this. So we're gonna be looking at this as well. And we got our engineer on the background helping us out to make this a reality. Website newsletter, blog, and trend reports. We're going to start weekly newsletters on the website for members. We'll have info on trends and upcoming events and Traders War Room things. We want to also have analysts come on there, analysts that are loyal to Traders War Room and are friends of Traders War Room. We want them to come on, have them come on there with some blogs and stuff. If they got a particular style or something to say, we want them to blog on our website as well so that people can come there and not just see products and services, but also have an experience. We want them to have something else, something tangible that they can come out of there with, other than just paying money for a premium service or getting a class or so on and so forth. We want them to be able to also stay on the website as well and read some information. All right, the investing club. I know you guys, a lot of you were waiting on this one. All right, we're going to start back up the first half of 2023. I talked to Shine already. We're going to look to start the next rounds on 15 January with signups being 1 week prior. We're going to utilize Sign Up Genius for first come and first serve. Now, a lot of this we were allowing members that were previous ones to come in there. A lot of it right now is that you guys are going to be the first come, first serve anyways, because you're going to find out about it first when we talk about it in the private chats. But we're going to put it out there. And this way with the Sign Up Genius, we can be fair and there won't be any, discord amongst, the team, because there was a lot of people that weren't able to get into this previous round. And it's not because of anything of their fault. It's just because it just filled up so quickly. So we're going to put it out there. We'll push out the link. And when the link's there, you sign up. And as soon as the slots are filled, that's it. And we'll rock into the next one. Contracts with the information. So we do contracts with this because this is a financial obligation. It's a business thing. We're doing stock market stuff. So it's taxes, right? We're going to have the contracts going into the new rounds. From the get-go, we're going to have the information for the K1. Now, the K1, it does require the tax ID number, okay? Social security number or a tax ID. We're going to utilize a secure messaging platform for this so that it's no different than when you sign up for PayPal, you add in your tax identification number. Or you sign up for Robinhood, you add in your tax identification number. This is the same thing, so that when we process the K1s at the end of the year, we don't have to backtrack like we're doing now, because now I'm having to go to each member and being like, hey, we paid you this certain amount of money. We did this stuff on the investment club, and I need your social so that, the IRS can come knocking at your door and stuff. So we're going to do it from the very get-go, have everything above board, and we'll be ready to go. And by the way, you guys probably started noticing from the previous round, payments started going out yesterday. I still got payments coming out today, and I'll have all the payments finalized by tomorrow for everyone that was in Shiners round 2. So you guys make sure you're checking your PayPal accounts, because I'll have your money to you by this weekend. Oh, Also, we switched all the accounts to cash accounts so that we can have unlimited day trading. Issue we had this particular round is that the market took a dramatic turn to the downside very quickly. It was very dramatic. And especially in my round, since my round is a smaller account round, right? We're under 10,000, 15,000. So we don't have the 25K for unlimited day trades. We're relying on swing trading. And, the market would just dumped on us, just all of a sudden, we had great trades going into the final bell. And the next day, the market took a leg lower or took a leg higher in some instances. And we weren't able to reap the benefits like we did with the first round. So we're switching them to the cash account until we reach that 25K. And then we're going to utilize the pseudo margin that gives you the benefits such as direct deposit and instant deposit. So we don't have to wait for funds to clear as long as we keep the balance of both cash and stocks on hand above 25K.
I know there's a lot of questions, but we'll get to them at the end.
Yeah, guys, questions. I know. All right, so TW goals and way forward. So the goals and the way forward, we're going to provide a professional platform for all members. All right, we want to encourage true learning how to trade. Okay, I want to say that again. We want to encourage the learning how to trade so that individuals become independent. All right. We want to allow legacy members to guide and influence new members via teaching from experience and lessons learned. Okay. This would be, we got an OG on the platform. He's been here for a minute. He's a fantastic trader. We get a new member in here. Hey, by all means, coach him up a little bit, chat with him. He asks a question, put in your influence. It doesn't just have to be Traders War Room staff. If you got something great from experience and knowledge, please push it forward. This is the pay it forward system. All right. We're a community of like-minded individuals. And we want to create that internal analytical team covering all trading aspects and contract out to at least 10 high-profile trading servers. That's one of the goals for 2023, so that we can flood everyone with some sort of Traders War Room alerts out there. This is a personal goal, and this is a little presumptuous, and I don't have a time frame on this, but I want to ring the bell at Wall Street, all right, with a TWR banner and the market warriors on the stage with me, all right. And I want to take that walk to Wall Street and destroy the market as a team and a unit. And I got a funny video here. It's about 1 minute long. If some of you hadn't seen it, I want to share it to you. But this is my philosophy. I want you guys to understand where I'm coming from and how I'm looking at Traders War Room. This is exactly how it is. I may not get to Wall Street, but I'm going to try my hardest to get to Wall Street. And I want to share this video with you real fast. And I'm going to make sure I actually share it. There's the desktop. And I think you guys are going to like it. All right, here goes. Now, I'm not a professional rapper or anything, so this is done very quickly, but man, people talking about that walk over in Europe and shit. I have my drink right here. I'm trying to take that walk to Wall Street, man. That's where the real shit be at. Yeah. I took the walk to Wall Street. I took the walk to Wall Street. Yeah. I be dreaming, Traders War Room. I be fiending, market screaming, brokers meaning, throwing shade, man. But I be eating. Yeah. Just walking in. I be blinding, click, 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 yeah, that's how I be in. Trading stocks like a freaking demon, turning heads when they be seeing. I'm a 7-figure stock trading heathen, what you know about that? Traders War Room, we be ballin', taking Wall Street by storm, come and get some. Now that's just a little funny comic relief, but when you guys think of me, I'm all in this. Okay, this is not just for fun for me. Okay, I'm in this. All right, and I want you guys to know that when you got someone out there, I'm a leader from the front. Okay, I'm in the trenches with you. All right, we go into war. All right, that's what we're doing. All right, and I won't stop until I get to that Wall Street, man. That's the goal right there. All right, hope you enjoyed that. Definitely being a little vulnerable for you guys. All right, coming to the conclusion, then we're going to take your questions. All right. So envision your trading as if it's a military operation, all right? Always ensure you're planning, training, managing, and securing your AOR, or area of responsibility. I want you to always be on the attack, looking to conquer and destroy the enemy. For us, the enemy's the market, okay? Remember that scared money doesn't make money, but you never want to over leverage to a point you can't retreat and live to fight another day. Remember this above all else. If you're ready, follow Traders War Room and let's go to war together, guys. Without further ado, we want to quit winning battles. We want to win war. Join Traders War Room and let's go ahead and take some of them questions, guys. I'm going to open up the security for the questions. We got questions in the chat group, and we'll go ahead and allow you guys to go ahead and raise your hands, and we'll unmute you. We'll do this. We'll do this in order so we don't take too much from people. So go ahead and raise your hand if you got question, comments, or requests. We're taking requests too, so that we can go. All right, Victoria. I know Victoria. Go ahead, Victoria. I know you got something great for us. Go ahead.
Oh, I don't know if it's great, but going back to the investment club.
Yes, ma'am.
And the new way is going to be we're going to be signing up. So which is that going to be the TWR chat on the Telegram?
Yes, ma'am. It was the way we were able to make it so that it was easiest for a one consolidated thing was off of the Telegram platform. So we'll still be doing it off the Telegram platform. We can accommodate certain things, such as if you want to get into it and you sign up, but you can't, view Telegram all the time, or you don't want to view or whatever. We could still send some updates. We could create maybe an internal channel in the Discord, but the conversations and all the trades and stuff like that, the day-to-day operations will be done on Telegram.
Okay, I just want to be sure I'm looking in the right place.
Yep. And when we push it out, we'll flood the market with social media as well, so that everybody knows it's at we'll have go to this link and get the information.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Thank you.
I
Go ahead.
hear something.
What's going on, T-Law?
Hey, just to let you know, I did put my shirt back on, so it did turn for me in the end. So I'm good. I'm dressed right now. Hey,
well, I'm glad you didn't use the Traders War Room shirt, because that I was thinking, I was like, man, that might be a bad promo on that one.
Exactly. That's what I said. That's why I thought it would be a bad promo. And I'm sitting there saying, no. But you know what? I appreciate you guys. And I'm looking forward to the new year with you. And we're going to keep this moving and do some great things together. And I just wanted to let you know that.
I appreciate it. And just so everyone knows, T-Law, he's started up his YouTube. Like I told you, we're trying to promote and influence from within. T-Law is a prime example. He has a YouTube channel. He right now he's doing some funny parodies to kind of bring a little levity to this stock market thing that stresses us out. But while it rolls, it's going to start developing into a fantastic platform. We're going to help him support and build that as well. So thank you, T-Law. And I look forward to assisting you building your brand and your thing along the journey.
I appreciate you, my brother.
Yep, no problem. AK, you had your hand up, but you took it down. But Jane, go ahead.
I hate the spammers, but you made my day.
Hey, I appreciate you. Thank you. Avion, go ahead, Avion.
Good night, everyone. All right. I heard you mention something about taxes, but I am outside of the United States. How does that apply to me?
I'm sorry, could you say that again?
I'm saying I heard you mention something about taxes, but I am outside of the United States. I am in Jamaica. So I'm saying, how does that apply to me?
Okay. Well, we have a couple international members as well. Now, I don't know the specifics in those particular regulations, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down your country that and I'll do some research and things. And if you hit me up on one of the social media, so I have a direct line to you via direct message, what I can do is I can do a little bit of background research, and I can see what type of regulations and restrictions that are in your particular country while trading on some of the US platforms and stuff like that.
Okay.
Does that sound good?
Yeah, it's so wonderful.
All right. Yeah. So please contact me. You can even hit up the email, but contact me after this sometime this weekend at your leisure. Contact me with that exact question that you have. So I get a lot of direct messages. So I don't want to forget. But with that
Where can I get to contact you directly? Email or on the YouTube or on the Discord?
Yeah, on the Discord, you can just click my icon and send me a message, or you can go to traderswarroom@gmail.com and send me an email as well.
Hey, Chuck.
The Traders War Room. Okay.
Hey, Chuck.
Yes, Chris.
Yeah, they still have to get a K1, and they would, depending on how much money they made, even if they're foreign non-resident, depending on how much money they made, they would have to file a U.S. tax return. So they would still get a K1. You just got to find out up to what amount.
Yeah. And what I'll do is I'll ask Jake, lucky for you guys. And I don't know if you're utilizing this feature or even knew about it. You know, we have an in-house CPA tax attorney, right? With Traders War Room. He's one of our loyals. Jake, the TWR taxman. I'm going to ask him as well, do some research, and I'll definitely, when you send me that message, I'll respond to you with whatever information I have. And if I can give you a point of contact, maybe Jake would be able to do like a three-way conversation with us so that he can expand on that a little bit more as far as legal terms.
All right, can you hear me?
Yeah, what up, brother?
Not much, man. Appreciate you and Chris and all you guys do. For ideas for next year, is it possible for some of the existing traders to do kind of like recaps? Say maybe once or twice a week on some of their trades, or like theories of good or bad trades, or like kind of what they were seeing.
Okay.
Jump into a trade. I think that would be cool. I learned
maybe,
a lot. Just
maybe like a short little video or something like that, or maybe even just an explanation with a chart or something.
Yep. Mm-hmm. Just for educational purposes, like
And you see that in the live trade room every day.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
but different strokes for different folks. You know, maybe he's watching your stuff, making money with you, but he wants a little bit of diesel love, or he's interested in MTA. MTA might have had a great trade on Tesla. He's like, man, how did he find out? What was the thought process behind it? I get what you're coming from. I like.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, just to outline, not necessarily for me, but for the new people. Like you said, I'd rather see failed trades than all successful trades, so you can kind of back, just to keep it even balance. Like you said, we got tons of spammers now. It seems like the more popular you guys get, the more haters come around.
Hey, but you know what? One of the things I'll take, because you guys, a lot of you know that I used to work with Chris Sane, right, on his platform, and one of the things I remember when I was talking with him and we were doing the interview. One of the things he told me this was going to happen. He told me, he's like, listen, you're reaching success points when them haters, or he called them fans, them haters are coming out in more thunderous, and you start to get spammed a lot more. And he's like, it sucks, but that's when you're starting to knock on the door of the big boys, because because you're relevant enough that they're going to try to utilize you to push their agendas. So it sucks, and we try to do all the security features to get them out of here. However, we're still getting caught with some of them. As you can see, we answered a couple of them today, but we're gonna make sure we look at it like, hey, thank you for thinking we're important enough to try to spam us. T-Law, did you have another question? Go ahead.
So the option challenge, the group challenge, the group, we're not going to be starting from January 1st, are we?
The investment club?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, because the market won't even be open January 1st. And we don't have enough time because we would still have to have money clear, both the not just the fintech, but both the bank and then the brokerage. So we're going to look at trying to do it in the middle of January.
So it's going to be the middle of January.
Yeah,
Okay.
so that
for both
so that
of
we
them.
Yeah. We'll run both of them consecutive like we did. Shiners will be the five. Mine will stay at the 200 at least for another round. And we made both accounts cash accounts so we can day trade with the money, because that was an important feature that we lacked this last time. We just couldn't day trade, and we couldn't. Basically, with the day trading availability, we'll be able to protect gains.
Right. Okay. And then you said you distribute. I thought I heard something about you distributed the money from Shiners already.
Yeah, I started distributing. So I'm going to distribute. I started distributing yesterday as it cleared. I'm going to distribute some more tonight, and I'll finish up with the last ones of it tomorrow.
Okay. Oh, so I'm gonna wait on this. Okay.
Yeah.
No
So
problem.
if you haven't received it, it's coming. I'm just going down the list.
Okay. No problem.
Yep.
Thank you, my brother.
No problem. All right, guys. Hey, if there's no other questions, I appreciate you guys coming in for this. Thank you, spammers. You gave us some levity, and we definitely enjoyed it because you guys are funny. So, all right. With that said, guys, we'll go ahead and this was the end of 2022. I'm looking towards 2023, guys. I can't wait for 2023 to come out there and just absolutely smash the market with you guys. Thank you for your honor, loyalty, and support with Traders War Room and everything. Please go out there, spread the word, let them know. And if I owe you something, please don't hesitate to hit me up. I get about 1,000 DMs a day. And so if I owe you something, sometimes that DM just gets clogged, man. Just hit me up. T-Law knows. T-Law will hit me up constantly on the DMs because he knows that it gets busy. So just if I owe you something, or Traders War Room owes you something, hit me up and I'll make sure we pay the debt. Just like a Lannister, we always pay our debts over here at Traders War Room, and we're going to bow to no one. All right, guys, you have a great evening, a great 2022. Finish it off strong, and we'll look to go out and destroy it in 2023. You guys have a good one.
Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year. Safe New Year. Safe New Year.
I'm on it. Hey, you know I'm on that though, man. Y'all, come join it. In the Traders War Room, warring with the market every day. We on Zoom. Never gonna quit. Ain't no way we gonna lose.